In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide Gmail inbox category. Gmail can automatically sort your messages into tabs like primary, social, promotions, updates, and forums. Customizing which of these appear helps you focus on what matters, whether that's keeping your inbox minimal or separating marketing emails from personal notes. Start by opening your web browser and signing in to your Gmail account. On the inbox page, look toward the top of your message list. If categories are enabled, you'll see the tabs arranged in a row. That's the area we're going to adjust, so you can hide or unhide the categories you want. Next, go to the top right of Gmail and click the Settings gear icon. A quick panel opens on the right, but for full control, select See All Settings. This takes you to the main settings area where you can change how the inbox works. If you ever land on a different page, don't worry. You're looking for the section labeled Categories. In the Categories section, you'll see a list of the available tabs with checkboxes. To show a category tab, check its box. To hide a category tab, uncheck it. When a tab is hidden, messages that would normally go there are routed into primary, so you won't miss anything. Your inbox just won't separate them into their own tab. If you change your mind later, simply come back here and recheck the boxes to unhide the categories you want. One important note: the primary category cannot be hidden. Primary is the core of your inbox and always remains visible. Think of it as your main landing area for personal and high-priority email, and the other tabs are optional layers you can add or remove. After you've made your selections, scroll all the way down the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh, and your inbox will update to reflect your choices. You should now see only the tabs you kept enabled. If you decided to unhide a category, its tab will reappear, and Gmail will start organizing new messages into it automatically. That's it. You've adjusted your Gmail categories to match your workflow. Remember, you can return to these settings anytime to fine-tune things as your needs change. It's a quick way to keep your inbox tidy without losing track of messages. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.